I hit it. Thank the Lord that I did it. I really came from them trenches. All of my niggas, they with it. Moving dope through the city. Like a beat, when it's beef, I'ma kill it. Hop in the phone, I started and hit it. Comfort.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nate Too Stupid, back with another video, or should I say, back with another food review, man. We got Fala, the smoked Jamaican food. Fala, F-A-L-L-A, the smoked Jamaican food. For your information. I'm going there right now. Go get my Jamaican food. My jerk chicken or curry chicken. I don't know which one yet. Jamaican food. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and cop the merch. You know I do too much in my merch. I'm going to my Fala, the smoked Jamaican food. So yeah, don't forget it. Write it down. Don't forget it. My third food review. Let me talk real. Then my third food review on my YouTube channel. So man, y'all gotta keep liking them. I don't be getting that many views, but you know the grind don't stop.
Exit left.
Keep going. Shut up, bitch. I know what the exit, nigga. But yeah, man. My third review, man. Third food review on the YouTube. I usually just do them on Instagram. Go at Nate Too Stupid. Go follow me if you want to watch all my food reviews on Instagram. I did about 25 to 30. So y'all go watch that. This is my third one, man. Y'all gotta clap it up, man. Clap it up for me, looking ass. But now the grind don't stop, man. Nigga do a million things, 100 different hustles. You'll never know what's next, man, for sure. But I'ma tune in when I get there, man. I just have to go on and let y'all know where I'm going.
In about 1.5 miles, take exit 84B on the left to merge onto I-40 West toward Memphis.
What the video consists of. And that truck right there was gonna smash me into the wall. I can't do that. Y'all would have seen it on the camera. No. Look, y'all would have seen it, but y'all see that bit. That bit all in the back. You see the top. No, sir. But yeah, man, I'ma tune in when I get there, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, just give me one each so I can try it. I wanna try that meat, jerk chicken. I think that's what it is. I think it's the jerk chicken for sure. Or that oxtail. That oxtail look good. Fake. I ain't gonna fail it. Look. Let me do a thumbnail. Yeah, you got it. Right there. Boom! Get that thumbnail right there. See what that's hitting on. I just wanna try the food. What's back on?
Jerk chicken. That's the curry chicken, and that's the oxtail.
Okay, this the oxtail.
Yeah.
The oxtail. Oh, so the jerk chicken come on the bone.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's that curry. Do it gotta be on the bone? The jerk chicken gotta be on the bone? It do.
Could be boneless, but I'm saying once people wanted that kind of boneless. I'm not trying to change.
Yeah. And then the other plate, let me know when you're ready for the other one. Hey, it's gonna go down. No, I'm just taking my sample, yeah.
Grilled salmon?
Ugh. Look fire.
Oh, God. I don't know about that extra ass.
Next plate, jerk chicken, cabbage, and yellow rice.
Damn, I'm finna get salmon. I wanted that jerk chicken.
Me.
Are we live?
Yeah, I'm doing a food review, YouTube.
Yup.
Yes, sir. Trying that Jamaican.
You
Okay.
trying that Jamaican and that goddamn it grilled salmon.
Even try that grilled salmon.
Uh-huh.
Shit, them motherfuckers do look fat though. I should have got that. I had to tell them. I got a sample of my thumbnail. Had to get my sample. I'm finna fuck this jerk chicken up, nigga. Me. Fat. Hey. Nigga, that plate fat.
Oxtail, ain't never had no oxtail. Jerk chicken Alfredo, that's funny. You big on YouTube, huh?
Shit, I'm growing, goddamn.
Ooh, I'm finna get famous. D-Will704.
Yeah. I had some business. Oh, y'all do got some.
And shout out,
I got like 12K. Shit, on the road to 100. How much mine?
Girl model, homie. You know what I mean? Right, I'm promoting.
Take card.
You got a member, but it's cool. Ah, shit.
Yes, sir. Gotta keep the business cards on you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Look, that's my what you call it too. That's my YouTube and Instagram. Nate Too Stupid. Yeah.
Now she was saying color I thought I went all black.
Yo, back at the crib, man. Y'all just seen me leave a Jamaican place. Fala the smoke Jamaican. So yeah, man, we finna go on and try this. Let me show y'all. I ate some of it because I did a food review on Instagram. If y'all don't know, go look at that. Go check that out. But man, this motherfucker right here. Phew. Huey burger. Huey barbecue. That'll show my twin. Y'all wanna see my twin? I should put my twin like right here beside me. Should put my twin right here beside me. Alright, keep moving, folk. Like, accuracy. Accuracy. There you go. There you go. But now I want to show. But can y'all see? I want it like perfect as possible. Like, is it moving? I'm tripping. It's definitely moving. Better. Bet. Just scoot this back. And I got a drink too. Get another drink. Let's see. Oh. Fala more. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Y'all don't know, from my last vlog, my whole mouth, I ain't got it pulled yet, but my whole side throbbing. But I still gotta eat, right? So yeah. Yeah, eat something. I don't supposed to be eating like crunchy stuff. It's like, I probably couldn't be able to eat this. It ain't crunchy, but it's like thick. And it's really hard for me to chew. But hey. I just shot one for eating on country. Now look at me. Fucking up. The skin? Y'all like the skin? I'm a skinhead. When we in 2K Park, I tell my shit out skins.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Okay. This cap is bust. Twin, this spot, you gotta come over and get some. So fire. The sauce went back in my eye. Look at that. When y'all drink, when it's good, I hold the bottle like this and I be into it. But if it's just like a regular drink. But when it's good, like when I grab it and twist it and start drinking, and y'all see these 3 fingers up like this, you know something. I ain't capping, you know something. You know that motherfucker smack. If I would like, I'm thinking like, if you had cabbage like this, and then have some shrimp, cabbage and shrimp, raw shrimp, like, I mean not raw shrimp, baked, like, not grilled or nothing, just regular shrimp. Take it out the skin. Make me wanna marry you. Matter of fact, I'll be here by tomorrow, baby. Cause I'ma say you by tomorrow. Yeah, this motherfucker fire. Look in the tune. Go get that. Voila. The smoke. Jamaican food. Tell them Too Stupid sent you. I'm finna end my review because I'm on a time schedule. So I got somewhere to be. I gotta go film this basketball game. So, yeah, man. Stay tuned. See me in the next video. I'm out.
Quit it right after I hit it. Thank the Lord that I did it. I really came from them trenches. All of my niggas, they with it. Moving dope through the city. Like a beat when it's beef, I'ma kill it. Hop in the phone, I started and hit it. Confidential. Right.